Value-driven maintenance. Maintenance is crucial in any organization. Without proper maintenance, assets deteriorate over time, causing a loss in quality of the output produced. More importantly, it can also impact the safety of the asset or the people that operate it. Traditionally, maintenance has been viewed as a cost center in an organization. It costs money to hire maintenance technicians and purchase the spare parts to keep systems running smoothly. Value-driven maintenance is not a maintenance type, but for optimizing the value derived from maintenance at any particular point in time. The decision to perform maintenance at any time is based on cost or benefit analysis. It requires a delicate balancing between the value that improved reliability can bring and the cost of maintenance. This is summed up in the 4 value drivers below.